In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master prompting in Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to make the most out of your AI interactions, this guide is for you. Mastering Chatgpt can drastically enhance your productivity, creativity, and the quality of information you gather. Let's dive in and explore these essential tips. First, you're going to want to open Chatgpt. If you're not familiar yet, Chatgpt is a cutting-edge AI tool that interacts with you in a conversational manner. It's incredibly straightforward to find and use online, so be sure to have it open and ready. Next, make sure you log into your account. This step ensures that all your chat records are saved, and any personalized settings you might have will be applied. Logging in also improves the AI's ability to build on your past interactions, allowing for more tailored responses. Now, let's create a new chat. This is where the interaction begins. Starting fresh with each new task or theme of conversation helps you direct the focus of Chatgpt right from the beginning, avoiding confusion with previous topics you might have covered in other sessions. One fantastic tool to enhance your prompting is the RTDO formula. This stands for Research, Take Action, Development, Optimization. Anytime you're unsure about how to structure your prompt, think about these 4 crucial components. By specifying whether you want information, a step-by-step guide, further development of an idea, or optimization of an existing concept, you give Chatgpt a clear direction to follow. If you're not quite satisfied with the output, instead of restarting your chat, take a different approach by refining the input. By asking follow-up questions or providing additional details, you can guide Chatgpt to produce a more desirable response. This method saves time and can lead to more insightful results by leveraging the conversation's context. For those larger projects or complex topics, consider chaining prompts together. Start with a broad question or topic and then gradually narrow it down using subsequent prompts. This strategy helps to break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks, allowing Chatgpt to provide better targeted assistance for each step. Finally, always remember to think of Chatgpt as a collaborator that adapts to your clarity. The more precise and detailed your requests are, the more useful and coherent the responses will be. Treat it like a team member and adjust your prompted directions as you would in any collaborative setting. And that's it. By following these strategies, you're on your way to mastering prompting with Chatgpt. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll find that your time with this AI becomes more productive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy prompting.